In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Metamask account. If you already have Metamask installed and set up, logging in is a very quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect, whether you're using the Metamask browser extension on your computer or the mobile app on your phone. To begin, open Metamask. If you're on a desktop or laptop, click the Metamask browser extension icon in your browser toolbar. If you're using a mobile device, simply launch the Metamask app. Make sure you're opening the official Metamask wallet you already installed, since this tutorial is specifically about logging into an existing account. Once Metamask opens, you should see the unlock screen. This is the screen that appears when your wallet is already installed on the device, but currently locked for security. At this point, Metamask may show your existing account profile, confirming that the wallet is recognized on your device. If you have more than one account inside the wallet, just make sure you're looking at the one you want to access. Next, enter your password. This is the password you created when you first set up Metamask on that device. Type it carefully because passwords are case sensitive. If you're on mobile, it can help to double check your keyboard input before continuing. And if you're on a shared or public device, be extra cautious and make sure no one can see your screen while you enter it. After entering your password, click or tap Unlock. As soon as the password is accepted, Metamask will open your wallet dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your crypto assets, view tokens, and interact with supported networks and decentralized apps. Once you're inside, take a moment to check your wallet, confirm that you're in the correct account, and verify the wallet address shown at the top or in the account details area. You can also review your balances to make sure everything looks right. This is especially useful if you manage multiple wallets or frequently switch between accounts and networks. That's all it takes to log into MetaMask. Open the extension or app, go to the unlock screen, enter your password, click unlock, and then verify your wallet details once you're in. Keeping your wallet secure is important, so always log in through the official app or extension and avoid entering your password anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.